Hello everyone. So in the last session we discussed about verbs. Okay. So in today's video we saw all about prepositions, right? So this is a practice exercise all about your preposition. So these PDFs are already being uploaded in your Google Classroom. So please study all those PDFs for your internal, right? So now you can see here that there are some words given here like across, at, by, during, for, from, in, into, of, on. Okay, so you just need to use these words, right, and try to fill all these gaps, right? So already the key answers are also being shared with you. Okay, so the key answers are also available here. So please go through all these PDFs, right? So somewhere you can see that different kinds of words are being used here. Okay, so just go through this, that is a preposition to, right, dot. Then you can also see that there is a preposition 3 dot pdf, so where you need to use words like above, about, according, right, down, throughout. Okay, so just go through these. Already the key answers are also being shared over here, right? See, the two friends went to the movies by themselves. During the summer, I stayed with my grandparents. Okay. After we saw the television show on bears, we drove to the zoo. Throughout the day, the rain came into the window. His notebook fell on the floor, right? So please go through all these examples, right? So as these examples are very important. Okay. Alright, so please go through all these PDFs, that is preposition 3, okay, preposition 4, 5 and 6. So yeah, these are very important for your exam, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so for more practice you can go for preposition, okay, practice PDF, right? You can also go for the worksheet PDF for more practice, not for your exams, right? So in genders.pdf you can see that different gender examples are being shared. Okay, so as a part of assignment number 3, right, as a part of assignment number 3, so we are already done with verb tenses, verbs, right? Okay, so please go through these, that is common idioms. Okay, please go through these PDFs. Then go for singular and plural, right? So you can see that singular and plural. Okay, some examples are already shared here. See, so for most nouns add es to the singular noun, like desk, desk. Okay, so for nouns ending in s, right, add es, like class, classes, quiz, quizzes, wish, wishes. Okay, for nouns ending in f, okay, you can add es, like wife, wives, leaf, leaves, scarf, scarves, knife, knives, loaf, loaves, right? See, these are very important. Then for nouns ending in a consonant plus y, right, like story, we need to use stories, fry, fries. Okay, bull, bullies, pony, ponies, right? So for noun ending in a vowel plus y, just add minus s, right? That's s. Delay, delays, right? Day, days. Okay, some nouns ending with o, right, directly use or prefer es or sometimes s, right, like zoo, zoos, potato, potatoes, right? See, some several nouns have irregular forms. See there, like child, okay, children, woman, women, foot, feet, mouse, mice, goose, geese, ox, oxen, okay, louse, loose, lease, person, people, man, men, tooth and teeth, right? Then several nouns do not change in the plural also. See, like deer, fish, offspring, sheep, species, they do not usually change their plural form, right? So please go through exercises. Okay, go through these. Yeah, these are the exercises which you have to solve, right? Okay, so please go through all the exercises, try to solve them, right? So see, here you need to use the plural form of noun, right? Baby cows are called as what, right? So in this way just try to solve these PDFs, right? Okay, see, all the key answers are given over here. You can just go through all these key answers, right? So as a part of syllabus we are done with verbs, right, prepositions. Okay, We are done with adjectives, nouns, pronouns, articles, okay, singular, plural, genders. We are done with idioms, okay. So please complete all your assignments in time, right? Okay, so please go through this, right? And in the next session, okay, so see, I have uploaded all the notes over here. Just have a glance for it. So today's PPT is being also uploaded, okay, in your reference notes. You can go and just download it from here, right? Examples on preposition. So you can just download the PPT from here. All right. Okay, so in the next session, we will be looking forward, okay, we will go for the next module, right? All right, thank you.